Acha ji, so this is my daughter's bookshelf and it needs a makeover badly. So I started off with seeing what is in her stuff. That's her books, a little bit of crayons and colors and sketch pens. So I just sorted them in some glass containers and then we moved on to pick up some colorful sheets. Sheets are pre-cut sheets and you get it about for 20 rupees and I think they are really reasonable. Next up, what we need is a tape dispenser and a transparent tape. The tape can be of medium size. What we need to do is roll it on top of each other once you cut that and then stick that to the particular place you want to stick the color sheet to. I started from the left corner and stuck blue color there. Next, I moved on with pink and the next was yellow color. So, in a similar fashion, I started sticking the rest of the color sheets on the sides and onto the bottom. I stuck two green sheets on the bottom of the shelf. Then I placed a red one on the right of that side. And then I found a teal color sheet, so I stuck that as well. So there's no particular fashion you need to follow. You can stick whatever color you like, or you can make it in a simple singular color all throughout, like a pink shelf or a yellow shelf, as per whatever they like, and be get creative as much as possible. You can give a better quality to this project by using the ready-made stickers, wall stickers, which you get as rolls, but I thought this is a cheaper way to just randomly customize her shelf, and it's just like a random idea which came into my mind that I instantly started off doing it. But although I must confess that it did take quite some time because I had to place each sheet and then move on to the next one. बट एनीवे शुरू किया है तो अभी ख़त्म भी तो इसको करना ही होगा ना. So I kept going on and on till probably she came back from school almost, but it was done by the time she was back home. Talking about how I came up with this idea was basically after I renovated my, study table, or you could say even my art table. So I have kind of done it and it's come out well, hopefully, like as I had planned. But I used, furniture sticker on it and also the wall sticker. It's a multi-purpose sticker. It actually worked out on both the furniture and the wall. So yeah, I was done with my study table with that, and definitely I would want to show it to you in my next video. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get more such videos, and it's basically about DIY cakes, cupcakes and the like. So I'm honestly hoping that you like our content and we really work hard. So I would definitely want you to subscribe to our channel and share our videos as much as possible. So coming back to the video, so what I had to do is in the bottom part, we had to stick the cellophane tape under the shelf. That's how the lower part was quite firm and it didn't come out. So, and then we finished the right side and the left side, and we are done finally with the papers. Now to strengthen the papers, we need a cellophane tape again, a thicker one, a broader one actually, not a thicker one, a pair of scissors, and then we start doing the magic. Just like we stuck the papers from the left, we start off sticking the cellophane tape from the left, move on to the right side and to the entire area. And this is how we make the entire bookshelf, look glossy and something which will not peel off. Okay. Now I start arranging each of her things step by step, her tracing paper box and her notebooks. Next, oh, that's a cute little notebook of hers. Okay, next goes her crayons, and then we have the stationery, the rest of the stationery in a glass jar, and another glass jar with sketch pens. I've arranged it like inverted so that the color is seen. And then we have her notebooks, basically, which she carries to school, and her pouch. There it goes. Okay, you can make it even more fancy by getting some nice stands for these stationery, but I just chose whatever was at home. The glass jars, you can see the glass bottle is Kisan jam bottle, and the other one we just had a return gift, so I just placed the sketch pens in them, and that's all for today. Bye, guys. Do let us know how you liked it.